when she falls in your lap, I was just telling somebody, I was like laughing and also slightly annoyed at the same time. I'm like, ये बंदा इतना कोशिश कर रहा है to run away from this woman, ये आके गोदी में गिरती है.
गोदी में.
If somebody in real life was as obsessed with you as Purva is with Vikrant, would you feel flattered or would you run away?
I would feel flattered and then run away.
Shikha, I think in her wildest of dreams or imagination would never do this.
Okay.
वो I think ऐसी है कि अगर कॉकरोच को भी मारना पड़े ना तो वो मतलब उससे पहले एक प्रेयर बोलेगी जिससे कि उसका सोल रेस्ट इन पीस करे. We are just trying to run away from what is chasing us. But the thing is, what is chasing us is a lot of power.
So then half our interview we are talking about a major spoiler.
Yeah.
That's on all y'all, man.
Yeah, of course.
First of all, ये लोग हैं कौन?
They can't tell you. They'll have to kill you.
विक्रांत के लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा. ये कौन है? कहाँ से आ गया ये?
और क्यों आए जिंदगी खराब करने के लिए?
Have you ever got this that you remind, you look a little like Shah Rukh Khan?
No, but
Or is it
thank you.
just me?
Thank you. I think we should lift the embargo today and let these interviews go. Yeah.
No, because the dimple, the smile, I think thoda sa.
That's a very big one.
Hello everybody, welcome to midday.com. I am here with the cast of Ye Kali Kali Aankhein. Let's find out how the action, drama and adventure has gone to a different level this time. Hi Shweta, hi Tahir, hi Aanchal, Arunodey, Gurmeet. Welcome to Midday.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Lovely to be able to talk to you. I watched for first 4 episodes of season 2.
Oh, that just changes everything.
You have hidden your opinion really well.
She was very good
I'm
cameras
dying
to
to
get
ask
on.
you guys questions, but I guess we cannot give out spoilers.
Did you enjoy it?
Of course. I
Excellent.
finished it at like 1 a.m. last night and I'm like, when she falls in your lap, I was just telling somebody, I was like laughing and also slightly annoyed at the same time. I'm like, ये बंदा इतना कोशिश कर रहा है to run away from this woman, ये आके गोदी में गिरती है.
गोदी में.
I mean,
That's amazing to hear because
Yeah.
that was the intention of that.
Yeah.
and I must say, after a long time, a show has exacted some, all of these emotions from me because, usually आप देखते हो ठीक है, okay, अच्छा है, बुरा है and all of that, and you kind of move on. But this kind, I'm really invested and really want the screeners so
That's-
that I can finish.
Wow, nice.
Thank you so much. Means a
Tell
lot.
me something. After season 1 ended, and there's been a gap before season 2 came out, what is the one question you guys were all plagued with? Like लोग सवाल पूछ रहे थे, fans पूछ रहे थे, क्या पूछ रहे थे?
When is
Season
कब आ रहा है?
two.
Season 2 कब आ रहा है?
और कुछ नहीं कि क्या हो रहा है?
वो theories थी, but you said the number one thing. That was
Yeah,
the number
yeah,
one thing
yeah.
that
Okay.
people
मुझसे
asked.
पूछे सीजन 2 में कब आ रहे हो?
Correct.
And you're finally here.
Yeah.
Right.
And how?
Yes. Yes. We'll come to that. But firstly, tell me, while I was watching the show, first season and half of second season, I kind of kept on thinking that every character is kind of driven to an extreme and edge, crossing lines and everything, mostly motivated by love. How have you guys, justified those characters to yourselves in your heads? Let me start with you because, it's Purva's obsession which kind of leads to these series of events.
Yeah.
How are you like, okay, ये possible है, या ये relatable है, या ये believable हो सकता है? How did you make that
The major
happen?
difference between season 1 and 2 was in season 1, Vikrant was Purva's weakness.
Right.
And in season 2, he became her strength because she wanted to survive and live for him. If you ask us ki how do you play and everything is written for you in the script. So if you know your character well, and we've already played our character once, so all you have to do is just follow the story, like just do what's written and it happens.
Tahir, how do you, Vikrant we see on a different level this time. How were you okay with the character arc, or did you at any point have this thought ki, how can he do this?
I think the amazing thing is that especially in season 2, the shades of grey that he has to delve into change with every episode. It's like, okay, he's capable of this, now he's capable of this. And so that character transition is almost per episode. You meet him with new circumstances, new conditions in his life that he's created out of things that he's done himself. And you pointed out like really well that everything is motivated by love. And in the beginning of season 1, you see a very vulnerable, a very innocent Vikrant who's got these simple dreams, chota sa ghar, choti si gaadi, chota sa kutta, but then circumstances don't allow that, and then very soon it becomes from just love to survival. because of the decisions that he takes. And season 2 is going to be about the consequences of those decisions, and it's going to be not only about his survival, but making sure that his love, firstly in the form of Shikha and then his family and friend, all also survive. And he thinks that he knows what the right decision is going to be, but he always ends up. I see that look of disappointment on your face. He's like, no, he doesn't know. But I think that's what makes him interesting to play, is that because when you're reading it, he's like, mat kar, mat kar, mat kar, and then you have to go ahead and do that.
But 2 more episodes are left, so you don't know. He might just
Yeah,
do
might
something
just-
and be like, oh man, Vikrant did that.
If somebody in real life was as obsessed with you as Purva is with Vikrant, would you feel flattered or would you run away?
I would feel flattered and then run away.
Okay. Shweta, same question to you. The choices, I mean, does Shikha even get to make a lot of choices is first of all the question. Were you okay with that, secondly? Third, I thought, there are certain actions which he takes on in season 2, again, not giving out spoilers, which I thought Shikha could have done. For example, like again, we'll cut it out, killing Dharmesh. I would have loved it if Shikha killed him. I mean,
Okay.
why did he have to come in and do it?
Okay.
What did you think? Yeah.
शिखा का मॉरल कंपास बहुत स्ट्रांग है एंड एक होता है कि आप उस सिचुएशन में आपकी इच्छा क्या है और एक ऑल्सो है कि आप कैसे कर सकते हो बिकॉज वो भी नो हाउ जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है शिखा आई थिंक इन हर वाइल्डेस्ट ऑफ ड्रीम्स और इमेजिनेशन वुड नेवर डू दिस
Okay.
वो आई थिंक ऐसी है कि अगर कॉकरोच को भी मारना पड़े ना तो
दो बार
वो
सोचेगी।
मतलब उससे पहले एक प्रेयर बोलेगी जिससे कि उसका सोल रेस्ट इन पीस करे शी इज समबडी हु डजंट लाइक लाइंग उसको झूठ बोलना नहीं पसंद है शी इज डाइंग बिकॉज शी हैज टू लिव विद मल्टीपल लाइज नाउ एंड विद समबडी मतलब लिटरली यू आर इन बेड विद समबडी जिसके साथ आप एक्सप्रेस ही नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो एक वो घुटन जो होती है ना तो आई थिंक वो है शिखा का स्टेट ऑफ माइंड कि यहाँ कुआं यहाँ खाई एंड मेरी सोशियोलॉजी टीचर ने कहा था कि यू ऑलवेज हैव अ चॉइस नो मैटर व्हाट द सिचुएशन माइट बी बट जब मैं शिखा के बारे में सोचती हूँ कि व्हाट इज द चॉइस क्योंकि वो जो भी चूज करेगी उसका इफेक्ट उसके पेरेंट्स को होगा हु शी लव्स अ लॉट उनकी सेफ्टी मतलब उनकी जान पे बात है ऐसा नहीं है कि आप कुछ बुरा हो जाएगा आपके साथ आप खत्म ही हो जाओगे सो आई फील धर्मेश को she doesn't want to get into this world and killing की अगर बात हो तो मेरे बाकी characters कर सकते हैं but I think Shikha she can't even think about it and that is why when this episode happens she's not comfortable with this वो फिर भी चाहेगी कि यार धर्मेश और वो फिर भी चाहेगी कि कोई कैरेक्टर के साथ ऐसा नहीं हो और वो भी आपके सामने बिकॉज एज एक्टर्स या जब हम सीन में देखते हैं तो हमें लगता है अच्छा चलो हो गया या बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट भी जो सीजन 1 में क्या हो गया बट इफ़ यू एक्चुअली थिंक अबाउट इट इट्स वेरी स्कैरी एंड यहाँ पे मतलब हम इंसान की जान की बात कर रहे हैं तो आई थिंक वो इल ड्राइव द गिल्ट विल इज टू मच टू लिव विद एंड दैट्स व्हाई रियली feel bad for her like I wish I could just give her a hug
Right. And I think that's why also I think it was a little surprising for me how her father supports at every step almost even though he is questioning ki kahan tak jayenge and all of that but then I see him supporting Vikrant in every step of the way that was kind of surprising for me because I thought at some point he'd be like what the hell
because I think वो भी जानते हैं कि ये दोनों ऐसे लोग नहीं हैं इनफैक्ट जो सीजन 1 में भी जब हम लोग विक्रांत एंड शिखा जो बात करते हैं ही सेज दैट ये आसान नहीं है कि मतलब तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो वो मतलब डॉन की बेटी है अखिराज की बात हो रही है सो ही इज वेरी अवेयर बट आई थिंक लाइक अ गुड ट्रू फादर ही वांट्स टू हेल्प देम आउट एंड हैं तो बच्चे ही है दोनों तो वो भी वही सोच रहे हैं अगेन सीजन 1 में गाड़ी में पूरा वो कवर करके हम जा रहे थे वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू run away from what is chasing us but the thing is what is chasing us is a lot of power
right
And I think that's the interesting thing about Siddharth Gupta's writing is that he'll create like these absurd situations like Dharmesh is killing in the bathroom, but he'll put ordinary people in that.
Yeah.
Like just to come back to your why did Vikrant kill him and not Shikha? Vikrant also didn't want to kill him. Had let's just and we'll cut this out. I'm assuming, but let's just say Dharmesh was standing there in the bathroom. Vikrant's instinct would have been to negotiate with him, to run away with Shikha. It wouldn't have been to kill. It's because now he's holding Shikha and she dies, and so everyone is like pushed
to
into
that
doing something
level,
that
yes,
is not
yes.
their first response.
right
and what is at stake and ये लोग बहुत आम आदमी हैं and that's what I love about these characters
Right, right. Also, fatherly love is one theme that's recurrent, you know, from Akhiraj to
That's
Shikha's father to even Arunodaya's character for that matter.
Yeah.
Do you think that's the main motivator behind what? First of all, what's the name of your character?
Jalan.
Jalal, right? We were wondering, what is that? What is motivating Jalal? Or I'm still not being able to completely get the sense of what is he driven by? Is it just money? No.
Everyone has a lot of reasons for doing things.
How do you, come to terms with, okay, whatever this guy is doing, this is the justification? How do you?
The justification is I can't afford to have justifications.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Not everyone gets the luxury of choice. Some people just have to do things because their life has brought them to a point where this is where they are.
Right.
And sometimes that's all you need.
Right.
So Jalan's simpler that way.
Right.
I have no choice. And that's the job. So the motivations beneath it you'll come to see later whether you do or don't. I have them, but...
Okay. Okay. Even till the kidnapping, it looked like it was his choice, but then things changed.
It's a
for
choice,
him.
but it's a
Yeah.
choice as to why are you making that choice. The choice isn't just made
right.
in thin air.
Right.
There's a thing that leads up to it. Everything
Right.
has that.
Right.
So it's not, yeah.
First of all, you're this, this dashing dude, a lot of action and everything. You just swoop in, up, matlab, action kar rahe ho, command with state of the art equipment, जिनको सब कुछ पता है, like CCTV camera का footage, satellite का footage ऐसे निकल रहा है. I mean, I wish all countries had intelligences like that. But first of all, ये लोग हैं कौन?
They can't tell you. They'll have to kill you.
विक्रांत के लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा.
ये कौन है? कहाँ से आ गया ये?
और क्यों आए जिंदगी खराब करने के लिए? सेकंड सीजन में हम जो दिखा रहे हैं कि गुरु का बचपन की दोस्त है पूर्वा, और ये पूर्वा से प्यार करता है, पूर्वा विक्रांत से प्यार करती है, और ये जिंदगी में चाहता है कि पूर्वा विक्रांत को छोड़ दे. विक्रांत सही लड़का नहीं, इसको पहले से ऐसे पता है उसके, क्योंकि इसको ये जो जिस तरीके से ट्रेनिंग करके आया है, इसको पता है कि विक्रांत सही लड़का नहीं है उसके लिए, और ये इसको कन्विंस करने की कोशिश भी करता है, लेकिन फिर भी ये क्योंकि प्यार में पागल है, और गुरु भी इसके प्यार में पागल है. और जब बचपन का प्यार होता है उसके लिए आप एक तरफा प्यार तो हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत है जिसमें आप पागल कुछ भी कर सकते हो. तो गुरु उसकी दुनिया में आता है, इन लोगों के बीच में आता है, और कैसे ये पूर्वा को बचाता है, या बचा पाता है या नहीं बचा पाता है, या क्या कर पाता है, उसके लिए तो आपको सीजन 2 ये खाली खाली आंखें देखनी पड़ेगी.
नवंबर
22 नवंबर को आने वाली है.
What is going on?
I know.
What is-
I mean,
what
I
are
was
these
just.
people on?
You actually led me to my next question. The show is after a Shah Rukh Khan song, and I don't know. I could be completely off here. Have you ever got this? That you remind? Maybe you look a little like Shah Rukh Khan.
No, but
Or is
thank
it
you.
just me?
Thank you. I think we should lift the embargo today and let these interviews go. Yeah,
No, because the dimple, the smile. I think thoda sa.
that's a very big compliment. Thank
And
you.
you've spoken about how you're a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan, right?
Yeah, massive fan. I mean, I'm from Delhi and
Yes.
the same area. I think any person who's come from the outside.
Both of you went to Barry John, right?
Yes, both of us
Yes.
went to Bangalore. Yeah.
क्या बात है.
Wow. Full marks for
Right,
research.
right. And ये तो बर्थडे के दिन पहुंच गए थे मन्नत शाहरुख खान के घर के सामने.
यार हम सभी शाहरुख सर के फैन हैं, और क्यों हो भी क्यों ना, हम क्या पूरा दुनिया. तो हाँ,
That obsession, great. But yeah, lovely to have Shah Rukh Khan connect to this show. We
Yeah.
all love him, right? Okay, thank you so much.
Thank
guys.
you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.